Looking for classic cars that won't drain your wallet, but still pack history, style, and serious project potential? We've got you covered. From slammed Impalas to all original Packards, here are 5 vintage classics, all priced under $6,500 and ready for a new chapter. Whether you're into hydraulics, flatheads, or good old-fashioned V8 power, there's something in this list for every classic car junkie. Let's check them out. Number 1, 1965 Chevrolet Impala $6,500, Lawrenceville, Georgia. We're starting off with a 1965 Chevrolet Impala 4-door located in Lawrenceville, Georgia. This full-size classic is sitting low and mean thanks to a custom hydraulic setup. We're talking 4 pumps, 4 dumps, and 12 batteries, giving it full movement. Side to side, front and back, and even a pancake front driver's side. Now, one of the front hydraulic cylinders does leak, so that's something to factor in, but it runs strong with a solid engine and transmission combo. The brakes are functional, but definitely need some attention. Cosmetically, the car is finished in green with a black interior. No major damage is reported, and the title is clean. However, the sale will come with a bill of sale only, so double-check your state's requirements before you dive in. The seller says storage costs are piling up, so they're motivated to sell. Just don't offer any trades unless your side hobby involves things that go a pew-pew. You know what they mean. Number 2, 1951 Packard $306,000 Huntsville, Alabama. Up next, we've got a gorgeous blast from the early 50s. This is a 1951 Packard 300 located in Huntsville, Alabama. It's an all-original survivor featuring an inline 8-cylinder flathead engine paired with an automatic transmission. The engine doesn't currently run, but the car has great bones. The body is described as solid, with no major rust issues. The red paint is flaking in areas, revealing surprisingly decent metal underneath. And unlike most projects from this era, the interior is in very good shape. A huge bonus. What really makes this one special is the original paperwork, including documents from when it was first purchased and even service receipts from the 1950s. That's a time capsule on wheels. Asking price is $6,000 or best offer, and the seller even offers delivery for the right price. If you're a Packard purist or love vintage originality, this one deserves a closer look. Number 3, 1970 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4-door $6,500, St. Petersburg, Florida. Third on our list is a 1970 Chevrolet Impala 4-door sedan, parked down in sunny St. Petersburg, Florida. While it's not a showpiece yet, this Impala has had quite a bit of mechanical work done recently. Under the hood is a Chevy 350 small block, not the original motor, but it comes with upgrades. A new high-torque starter, new alternator, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock carburetor, and Edelbrock intake manifold. That's a solid base for performance and reliability. The body wears a white exterior, and though interior color details are a bit sparse, it likely complements the period-correct look. The seller mentions it does need some minor repairs, but the heavy lifting under the hood is mostly done. Title is clean, and the vehicle is fully paid off. If you're looking for a 1970s cruiser with potential and power, this one's a great mid-range project. Number 4, 1969 Ford Limited $5,000 Denton, Texas. Let's talk about underrated value like this 1969 Ford Limited 4-door based in Denton, Texas. It comes equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, and best of all, it runs and drives. With just under 70,000 miles showing, this full-size Ford Cruiser still has life left in it. The blue exterior and blue interior make for a clean, cohesive look. The seller is clear, no trades, and only serious buyers should inquire. If you've been looking for a turnkey classic that doesn't need to be hauled on a trailer, this one might be your ticket. Number 5, 1966 Chevrolet Caprice $3,600, Houston, Texas. Closing out this round, we have a 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, located in Houston, Texas. This one's been sitting for several years, so expect some cobwebs. But there's a lot to like here. It's powered by a late model 350 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. The car does run, and the seller recently replaced all the wheel cylinders and the master cylinder. It still needs a brake booster. The current one sticks, and a proper gas tank, as it's running off a temporary setup right now. The body is brown with a blue interior, and while it needs attention, this Caprice is priced attractively at just $3,600. Seller is open to trades and holds a Texas title. Cool. There you have it. 5 unique classics, each with its own charm, quirks, and potential. Whether you're looking to build a lowrider, restore an antique, or cruise in retro style, these vintage rides are all classic cars for sale by owner that won't break the bank. Drop a comment and let us know which one you'd take home. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Chingna for more project car finds from across the U.S. updated every week.